Hi guys, welcome to GeekHub. This is Ryan. Here is an iPad 6 sent by a fan. Its problem is half of the screen is dark and it's very hot while using it. First, we heat the iPad for a while to melt the adhesive, then tear down the LCD assembly, replacing the old LCD with a new one for our test. We can still see the dark spots on the edge, but better than the old LCD. Touch the logic board with our hands, it's very hot. Now take off the cover of the logic board for our test. Because the large size of the iPad screen, Apple put two sets of voltage boosting circuits for the backlight. It's obvious that this boosting indicator and diode were repaired before, so it's very likely that this boosting circuit is broken. Let's use the voltmeter to test it. The input voltage is 3.6 volts, normal, and the output voltage it's still 3.6 volts. So the voltage is not boosted at all. Now let's test the second boosting circuit. The input voltage is 3.6 volts and the output voltage is 18 volts. That's the voltage it should be. So now we can be sure that the problem is in the first boosting circuit. Take apart the logic board and replace the old boosting indicator and diode with new ones. Okay, now let's test it with the old LCD again. The display is still dark, but the logic board temperature is back to normal. Then replace the old LCD. We can see the display is back to normal too. So this means the old LCD assembly is also broken. Usually we will change the old LCD with a new one, but the fan wants to save some money, so we will find another way. The idea is to change the backlight. Set the temperature to 80 degrees and slowly take apart the backlight. Because the backlight size is very big, you have to be very careful, or the LCD will be damaged. After taking apart the backlight, connect the LCD to the logic board and use the flashlight to check it. Great, it can still work. Now clean the LCD and put on a new backlight. Test it again. Finally, everything is fine. This iPad 6 is successfully fixed. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, GeekHub.